In this video, we are going to discuss what is the difference between str underscore replace and str underscore ireplace. These are two predefined functions offered by PHP to replace substrings with new string inside an string. str replace functions very similar to str ireplace, except that str ireplace is not case sensitive. It will treat lowercase abc and uppercase abc as equivalents. Just a quick note here, there are some other functions in PHP where you will find the I variants of that function. So whenever there is such case, you can assume it functions similar to the original function and it is case insensitive. So one example is the case insensitive version of str replace is str I replace.